Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change email address on Facebook. Friends, to change email on Facebook, it's an easy process. So please watch the whole video. Don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, for this, simply you have to go to your Facebook. After that, just tap on the profile picture at the top. Then my friends, you have to tap on the pencil sign beside of the magnifier at the top right corner. Then my friends, you have to scroll down all the way, then tap on edit your about info. Scroll down my friends, and then tap on edit beside of the contact info. Just tap on edit. Now my friends, tap on the manage contact info. After that, tap on add new contact. Tap on add email address. Now my friends, you have to enter the email address. After entering the email address, just tap on the next. After tapping on the next, you have to enter your Facebook password, because Facebook want to confirm that you are the owner of this Facebook, right? Because you are entering the new email address. So friends, like this, you will be able to change email address on Facebook. Friends, to change email address on Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.